Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson we're going to talk about proportions, how to determine if they're equal, and then how to find missing parts of proportions. One way to determine if proportions are equal is to cross-multiply and see if the results are equal. By cross-multiply, I mean multiply across the equal sign in this way. So 1 times 16, we want to know if that's equal to 9 times 4. And 16 is not equal to 36. So these two proportions are not equal. Again, if we want to determine if they're equivalent, we can cross multiply. 6 times 12. We want to know if that's equal to 3 times 18. 6 times 12 is 72. 3 times 18 is 54. And so again, these are not equal. Finally, once again, even if the units are different, cross multiplication still works. So we want to see if these two proportions are equal. 4.75 times 8 ounces. We want to know if that's equal to $1.50 times 27 ounces. 4.75 times 8 is equal to 38. 1.5 times 27, 40.5. So again, these are not equal. If we want to solve a proportion, if we want to find a piece that's missing, we can still cross multiply, but then we just divide to find the missing value. So if we cross multiply here, 35 times x equals 15 times 33.25. 15 times 33.25, 498.75. To find x, we just divide now by 35. And we find that x is equal to 14.25. We can do the same thing here, cross multiply and then divide. 240 times 26 equals 1250 times W, however many pounds. 240 times 26, 2.4 times 26 equals 62.4. 12.5 0 times W. To find W, we just divide by 12.50. $62.4 divided by 12.5. We find W is equal to 4.992, in this case pounds. Finally, we can sometimes see proportions in word problems. So a company designs and produces video games. For every 8 games that the company designs, only 3 become very popular. If they design 48 games, how many would they expect to become popular? So for every 8 games, 3 of them are popular. So if we design 48 games, how many will be popular? So now that we've set up our proportion, we just cross multiply and divide. 48 times 3, 144. And then we divide by 8. And the number of games we would expect to be popular would be 18. Please contact me if you have any questions.